Hello viewers, today we are going to learn a model selection of linear regression. For that, we have to use the pydataset to import data, then Panda for reading the data, NumPy and the scikit-learn linear regression model selection to import train test split to get the data training and testing data, then matplot to plot the graph. Then we read the data by using data object and using Pandas from CSV form of file which I get through the Google, the real confirmed cases of the coronavirus. Then we read the CSV file from book 1 and CSV. Then we print this data to show you, and then we plot this data for the confirmed cases of coronavirus on number of deaths by using a scatter kind of plotting graph. Then we show the PLT show. PLT is the object for plotting the data from matplotlib library, and then we show you this graph by running this program, that is the confirmed data 1 crore near about for 1,40,000 on 1,40,000. Next we have to find out the actual training data and tested data for confirmed cases. For that we write xtrain. For that we write xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest, then train test split data from data confirm or data deaths. We have we're taking two variable for data confirm and data death. Then test train split for supervised training. Then we visualize this split data and show you in a scattered graph by using clit scatter, xtrain, ytrain, label training data, color red, alpha 0.7 to show you the scattered data for training data, and for testing data we are taking two different color green or color red. Then we show the legend of the data, and then we show the title of the graph, and then we show the graph by writing clit show. Now run this and get the data graph. So this is the confirm and death of the coronavirus, and then this is the splitted data. The red shows the test training data and green shows the testing data on 1 crore and for 1,40,000 death. Then we create a linear regression model and train it. For that we take object LR as a linear regression by taking a function linear regression, and then we feed this data linear regression into xtrain values and reshape it by -1 1 to show the data in one, either in row or in column, and then ytrain values, and then we predict, use the model to predict on tested data, which tested data के prediction के लिए we make a object prediction equals to LR predict x test value. Again we reshape this tested value by using reshape -1 comma 1. Then we plot this value which we get by the object prediction For that we have to write plot x test comma prediction label linear regression color blue. So it will show the linear regression line in blue, and then we scattered the tested data. Plit scatter x test y test label actual tested data color green alpha 7. So it will show you a tested data in green and the regression line in blue, and then legend, and then show the graph. So run it and you get the all three graphs by running. First of all we get the confirm coronavirus, which is near about 1 crore, and death 1,40,000, and then we get the splitted data, that is training data and testing data, and then we get the actual tested data and linear regression line, which is showing very correctly. This is near about 1 crore and this is near about 140,111. So it is up to the 1,40,000, so it is showing you properly. Then we get the score, and then we have to find out the predict to confirm with a death, confirm with the death 146111. So here you have to write print LR linear regression predict np dot array. We are getting the value of death 146111, and then we predict the test model score. So for that you have to write print lr score x test value reshape -11 y test value. You need two variables x test and y test, and reshape the x test each time to get in a single column or single row, and then according to that you will get the y test value. Then you run it and find out the score and confirm data. This is the all three graph, and then you get the 6383 and 0.98. This is near about predicted data of confirmed death on 146111. You can see it in the data 14611 and 96. This is near about 96 and it is predicting 0.9888. So it is near about 1 crore of confirmed data. This is a confirmed data. This is 1.0. So now we will do the same thing for the recovered data. For that you have to change the variable and you get the information for recovered data. For that you use this line to write data plot kind scattered. Now this time you are using recovered in place of confirm, and then on next line you have to change this line and you have to write x train y train x train x test y train y test equals to train test split recovered data and data dot deaths, number of deaths. So this way when you write it, and then you get the same three graphs for the confirmed data. So run it and find out. This time it is giving on 1 crore the recovered data on 1 crore, and then splitted data. Then splitted data, you can see it in the big form also, and then you get the linear regression line and the splitted scattered data. This time the testing data go down because recovering is more than the confirmed data, and this is changed. This is near about 1,60,000. Then you get the score of the data. So run it again and find it. So this is the confirmed data, that is 9636487, that is near about 9624, and predicting this, and 97 predicting for the on the death of 146111. So this way you can predict the data by using the linear regression in Python. And thank you viewers. If you like this program and it is helpful to you, then please share and subscribe, and please promote my video if you like. Thank you.